Okay, let's cut this and see how it come out. Oh yeah. Ooh, looking good, man. Let me turn it. Hold on. Let's get it there. Oh, that's my first prime rib of 2023. All right, here's our bad boy. We have about 4.65 pounds. It was very, very easy to make. So let me show you how I did it. All right, so I want to do this meat in a traditional way. So very simple, very basic. I just want to add salt and pepper. Because sometimes you don't need to use a lot of stuff in order to your food taste good. Just keep simple, basic, and you'll be fine. Don't be afraid to use a lot of salt and pepper. This is a very thick piece of meat. Just put it on everywhere. Make sure everything gets a good coating. And that's it. So now let's put this big boy in a plastic bag. Put it in the refrigerator and leave it for 24 hours. All right, it has been 24 hours and I'll remove the meat. Now I'll preheat my oven for 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to make sure that we cook this bad boy really, really slow. It's been about 3 hours and 30 minutes. Let's check the temperature. Temperature looks good, 130 degrees Fahrenheit inside. It needs to rest now for 45 minutes. So all the juices get distributed even. While it rests, I think I'm gonna drink some beer. Check it out. Look at that color. Look at that color. It's like gold, dude. Look at this. Looks the cloud. Oh man. I love the cloud. Good beer, good beer. Okay, break's over and let's go back to business. It's been already 45 minutes of rest and we're gonna put some butter on top of the meat. You set your oven for 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 500. And we put it in for 15 minutes. 15 minutes went by. Let's remove it and let's see what's up. Oh, look at that. That's crispy, man. That's crackling. All right, first thing first, we're gonna remove the bones. As you can see, there's 2 pieces of bones here that needs to be removed. And today I'm gonna use my Try My Child Tiger knife because it's very sharp. Just follow the bones with your knife and remove the prime rib. Okay, let's cut this and see how it come out. Oh yeah. Ooh, looking good, man. Look that dripping, man. So juicy. This is amazing. Oh, look at that piece. It's a piece of art. Don't you agree? I love it. Hope you like the recipe. If you did it, do this for me. By doing that, you're gonna help the channel grow.